your rate of natural death alarming.
From what you are saying, I can say, I don't know your present issue.
Yes. So I'm recovering dead bodies almost every day. As related to Keshe.
Where Keshe means?
Now, you are from where I was saying when Keshe Galamsey.
Okay.
Before Galamsey, there was Keshe.
Yes.
Sana ina nanomo friend. When they anglicize it, now be Galamsey. You see, Galamsey related death. And I said, Minyan is a mining related death. Because if you're mining activity beyond illegal. So be we upon them, and I assume I have been recovering bodies, especially around the south Enchi area. Very common there, almost every day. And then sadly in Kwada Omugu from allegedly falling into pit. Mihuana Meira seriously. Because this is purely parental neglect. What to bula ufie? You have no sense, say. In Kwadankiti or Munam or Munimusheno, they could stray in. I have been recording this week in Crime Sim. I recorded 2. All our south war, which is saddening, you know.
So Galamsey, a matter of concern in the region.
Yes.
And how do you intend addressing them?
We are. I have tasked my officers to do what is right.
What is right?
What is right is that we enforce the law.
And are they enforcing it?
Yeah, they are. But we have some challenges that are on my assumptions there that I have seen and I have discussed with our indefatigable regional minister.
Once it's an assumption, I don't think you're gonna share with us. Can you share?
I don't want to share because at least as my level, I should be part of the solution. I should not be part of complaining. So I'm working on the solution.
The safety of the citizenry. I mean, within the region, and then the way Nema AC Echo. How do you ensure safety of these region and the people in it?
Yeah, Nana, one area, Ebia, in some community, me Nyambo, so yeah, but Wakofa be road fatalities.
Accident.
Yes. Me take over and until me try IGP said no, me region no omo yama me problem. Death related to the use of motorbike and tricycles. So I asked him to give me 2 weeks to sweep the region. And he gave me the go ahead. And I have swept the region.
Are you sure?
Yes. I have swept it. And I'll continue to sweep it. Me, yeah, you know, true, we started recording low occurrences of death, bike-related death. And every day I was collecting average of 2 or 3 dead bodies.
Hey!
Yes.
Within the region?
Oh. Obi na intestines, ni go outside, ni tea, motorbike. Why must we die because we sat on somebody's motorbike? Why must we die because motorbike in a my dream said me de be juma? Inti no me transform anako kume. Why must it be so? So, you know, the study we did pointed to something that one, a lot of these riders knew nothing about the road regulations. 2, motorbikes, almost about more than half or close to 3/4 not registered in the region. And, I mean, recklessness. So, I tasked my officers across the region to help me clean this region. And we did it. Some were taken to court, some were even in prison, and at least it has sent the message that, and you so koto motorbike here now with the basic fin say you call yourself a rider. We have rules, and we have road regulations and the driver regulations or rider regulations. So we have created that awareness, And true, the fruits are there. Say these occurrences, are come from kakra. But human behavior, we must keep checking them.
Dr. Francis Kwame Tsidi and I'm the AD and Komo Ewa or Regional Police Commander, Western North. Na anopay near Oka kana emuare ho. Na as a region nankasano, your challenges nankasa doso.
Yeah.
And how do you foster that community relationship between the police and the people?
You see, your virgin settlement. When I say virgin settlement,
I understand. Yes,
settlements that are very difficult to reach. Me could be a police station where Kwewu last Friday. Yes, Kwewu. Enchi Kwewu.
okay.
So we have a road that is supposed to be connecting your south to Elibo.
Okay.
But that is also another virgin road. It's a virgin road that is difficult to use. But Kwewu is sited there. Now, so Kwewu now, you there is a road that goes to Samraboy. So we use that road. Now we have settlement a war. Nothing, no vehicle will be good enough to serve your population, the only thing available to them is motorbike. So the challenge now is all I want from them is get your motorbike license, wakasana will ride and get yourself license, and then go for your insurance and then serve the people. So that so that me auntie and I mean your banner motorbike and one uncle by say or the motorbike be so ye nimuno or the bike is not registered. Wakasa krana or riding a crana ma say and can ride it. So these are some of the difficult areas that I'm having, but we'll be doing more talking and sensitization. It be any say Wadaroma, your cover region in any beyond.